What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Goodwill, and we're gonna run inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. I got my mask hanging. We are gonna snag that, and oh, I gotta shut off the car. I just realized the car's still on. Okay, let's go inside. Hopefully we find some sweet stuff today. I haven't been to Goodwill in a little while, honestly. It's been too long, so hopefully we find some good stuff. Now, the first thing I see in the glass case are these video games, but they were priced at $12 a piece, and that NES was like $75. It was crazy, way too expensive for my purposes. Maybe good for a collector, not good for me, but I did find these video games in my cart. Now, I'm just showing it kind of quick. I'm going to go over everything at the end of the video, what exactly I paid for everything, what I think I'm going to get for it. But right now, I'm just trying to rush through this because I'm seeing a lot of electronics, a lot of really cool items sitting around. I did look this up. Behringer, I think is the brand. Never heard of it before. I almost dropped everything. And never heard of it before. Looked it up. Wasn't really worth anything. Super heavy, super big to ship. So I decided to leave it. But, you know, I got a Wii in my cart right now. I got a Guitar Hero guitar. Not bad. I like it. Here's a brand new board game. Okay, let's look this thing up, see if it's worth any money. And it wasn't. So we're going to keep looking. And I found this cool old cash register. Again, something really heavy. I thought the keys were sticking, and they kind of are, but they pop back up. It's cool. I mean, I know nothing about it. Maybe I could have made money on it. Let me know if I just passed up on something good there. The Burroughs cash register. Interesting. I don't know. Super heavy, though. Again, would be very expensive to ship. You have to take that into account. And not only expensive to ship, but timely to package, right? You got to bubble wrap like crazy. Box it. Maybe double box it, right? Put it in packing peanuts. Whatever you can do. Now, this is kind of cool. Beauty and the Beast for $1. Little toy right here. Ended up being worth some pretty decent money, and I find more than just one here, actually. So, I like that. I'm seeing more toys over here on the shelf. Looks like they came from Loot Crate or something like that. You know, that's what it looked like to me. I scanned it in. This guy I don't believe was going for anything, but this one was. This Q-Fig, Jessica Jones. Now, another reseller YouTuber talks about Q-Figs and says that they're not worth anything ever, and I kind of believe him, but this one was worth good money, so not good money, but not bad money. I'm gonna make money on it, is what I'm trying to say. So let's keep looking inside of here. Cool basketball. Not really resale value there, but maybe we're going to find something really cool hidden on the shelves here. Got some interesting car that's loose in the package, but the package is still sealed. Nothing really going to be worth anything. Toy section, yeah, looking a little bare. Nothing great. So we're going to move around the store and see what we got in, I believe, the media section. So right here in the middle of the store, they keep all the DVDs, the CDs, the video games, all the fun stuff, quick and easy to scan. And they've had an overflow since they reopened after lockdown. So there are just DVDs and games and CDs, on games, on like just so many of them, right? So if I really wanted to, I could probably sit here and scan every single used item and probably come out with good money, but that would take quite a while. And, you know, I mean, you could do it. I didn't do it. Maybe I'm leaving lots of money on the table, but what I like to do and what I recommend doing is look for all the sealed items first, right? So pull out everything that's brand new sealed, anything that looks rare and unique like this, never heard of it before, and I believe it was actually worth some money. So that's what you have to do, right? Grab the sealed items, grab the rare and unique items, things that you've never seen before, like this, brand new sealed, weird and unique, Thunderbird's Mission Alert game just sitting here. I scanned it in, and guys, it's not worth anything. I was so surprised this was not worth anything. It wasn't even on Amazon, and the eBay listings were selling for like 10, 15 bucks, and they wanted, I believe, 6 on it. So nothing that I could do. The shoe section at this Goodwill is definitely a little overpriced. These at $8 might have been good. I don't really mess with shoes and clothing too much. I know there's great money in it, and I've done it before in the past, and I've made good money with it, but you know, they take up a lot of space, and they do take a while to sell when it comes to clothing and shoes. Also, I have a dog who sheds a lot, so you got to be careful. You do not want to keep clothing around animals. It's just not good. Over here to the left, I notice, interesting little piece of art, but there is a cool typewriter underneath. and it looks clean. I mean, this thing is very clean. They want $20, which I didn't know at the time if that was good or not. I'm testing it. I mean, everything seems good. It's striking well. I've never used a typewriter before, so I really have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just messing around with it. I notice things are sticking, but that could be because I'm just hitting them like crazy and not really trying. So do I want to take a chance on this for $20? Is it worth it? I don't know how to test it, but you know what? I'm going to take the chance. I'm going to take it. I threw it in the cart, and we're going to take that chance on that typewriter, that keyboard. What is it called? Typewriter. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I am young. And we will look over it again when we get home. Here's this cool, I thought it was like a cool piece of art. I'm like, oh, this is super unique. I flip it upside down, and it's for a giant aquarium. So I don't know if it's actually worth something or not. I left it. I thought it was cool. It would look cool outside, but I don't know. I didn't need that at all. Sitting in this random aisle is a video game. This is why I like to look in each aisle of the thrift store, even aisles that you don't normally go down. This is just kind of the tchotchke knick-knack aisle. And here's some InSync bobbleheads from 2001, Best Buy exclusives. Not worth anything, but still kind of cool. This is why I like to look down every single aisle, because sometimes people get things in their carts, their kids grab things, put it in the car, and then they put it back on a random shelf. There have been so many times where I find extremely expensive video games, electronics, CDs even, right? Just random toys, random things in random parts of the thrift stores. So even go check the women's clothing aisle. I find that I don't sell women's clothing at all, but I actually enjoy going into the aisle because kids are usually there with their moms and they have toys with them, and they put the toys back on top of all the clothes. And I'm able to find lots of fun stuff that way. Here's a bunch of anime dolls. They were all priced very accordingly to eBay. But then, oh wait, what's down here? We have a GameCube at $45 and some toy cars, kind of cool. But that GameCube at $45, the cars were $20. I didn't really want to mess with those. I take a quick look in there, but this is what my attention's drawn to. I'm like, okay, I see a controller. Oh, it's a Wavebird controller, which these are wireless GameCube controllers. They're worth great money if you have the receiver. I'm not seeing the receiver anywhere, but there was a first-party controller. All the wires, I try to open it, but the stickers are blocking, so I have to cut open the stickers so I can open it up, and it opened up. It looked clean, so I decided to grab it. I find some printers. Guys, I ended up grabbing a lot more that I didn't show on camera. Once we get back to the house, I'm going to show you everything I picked up. I got some amazing finds. We're going to make multiple $100s on this. Probably over $500 on this stuff. Maybe even $600. Pretty insane trip. I can't believe how much stuff I was finding left and right here. So let's head home and let me show you guys what I got. All right, guys, it's like a day or two later, but we're inside the house, and I'm going to very quickly go through some of this stuff for you guys. Well, I'll go through all of it for you guys so you can see what I picked up. First, we got some DVDs, some decent ones too, brand new sealed. We got Cars 3, and I paid $2 a piece for these. So Cars 3, If I Stay, V for Vendetta, what is that? Biggest Loser workout. The Closer, the 4th season. This one is not sealed. And Sit and Be Fit, an arthritis workout DVD. This one was only $1. So that's pretty sweet. My Goodwill charges between $1 and $2 for DVDs. All CDs are $1, so that's nice. If it's a series, like a TV series, this one was only $2, but sometimes they go up to $4. But I'm happy with those prices. Then I snagged 2 Brother printers. Both are the same. Both were $14. Both were this model number, HL2270DW. $14 a piece. You guys can see what these are actually selling for. I have no idea if they work. I hope that they have toner in them. I have Brother printers. I use Brother printers, and they're usually all right. I'll be able to test it pretty easily. I'll just plug it into my computer and try and do a test print. So I hope that they work because I want to get these sent off to Amazon ASAP. Then I did end up buying that sewing machine. Let's actually grab this. I think this thing is so cool. I've never... Whoa, that's really, really heavy to pick up with one hand. Okay. I have never bought a sewing machine to resell. Pardon the countertop. I decided to just do this in the kitchen because it'd be quick and easy. Let me set this down. All right, here it is. You can see that the ribbon is really dirty and messed up. I don't think it works, but all the keys work beautifully. Little tab works. I mean, look at that. It works so nice. So I don't think I'm going to have any issues with it, but I would like to possibly see how much a new ribbon is for it, because if you're able to include a picture with a piece of paper coming out with text actually on it, I see the price jump up to like $120 to $150. Without that, these can go as little as like 40 bucks. And I paid 20 for it. So I definitely want to try and get that 150. I messed with it. I know nothing about typewriters, so in my mind, it's going to work. Maybe there's something I'm not seeing in here. All of these little things look clean. It's just this ribbon that I think I'm going to have to replace. And I have no idea how to do that, but I'll watch a YouTube video. I'll figure it out. I did buy that GameCube bundle. You can see the GameCube right here. $45. I opened it up. There's nothing in it, sadly. $45 is already a pretty good price. But it came with a Guitar Hero guitar, a controller, which is awesome, of course, a power brick, the AV cables, and then this guy right over here, the Wavebird, no adapter, which is kind of a pain. The battery compartment has like new batteries in it, so that's sweet. It should turn on fine. But, oh, yep, there we go. Power's on, so that's good. I could sell this as working, just no adapter, which is okay. I mean, the adapter is where all the money really is, but I'll still make money on it. I don't know, not that much, but there's still money to be made. All right, now going into the box, we got some cool little things. We have a Q-Fig toy, paid $3 for. Jessica Jones. They had another one there that wasn't worth anything, but that one is. I know, what's his name on YouTube? RVA Flips. He says, don't ever buy Q-Figs. They're not worth anything. And he's probably right 99% of the time, but this one happened to be worth a little something. Still not that much, though. Oh, we actually got a couple more DVDs. We got Somewhere Between, brand new, and another used one, Silver Screen Icons, James Stewart. So I didn't scan every single DVD there, and I'm sure I left money on the table. I do the same thing with CDs, but after doing it for a while, I'm able to just kind of look through. I scan all the new ones just in case, but the used ones, this just looked like something unique, something different. It has multiple movies on it. So, yeah, I mean, look at that. You got 2 movies right there. Oh, wait, hold on. It's supposed to have 4. Unless these are 2 on each. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So that's good. We got 4 movies right there. Perfecto. Let's keep going. All right. We got some Beauty and the Beast toys. These were $1 each. And the cashier girl kept saying, oh, that's a really good deal. Yeah, you got a really good deal on these. And yeah, I did. I mean, $1 each is a really good deal. But I'm not going to make a lot on these. I'm only going to make a few bucks, but the rank was okay. So that's why I bought them. Normally, yeah, I'll spend $1 to make $4 or $5 all day long. But I'd rather make $10, $15. I'd rather spend, $5 to make $10, $15. Wouldn't anybody? But it's still good. Oh, we got another movie in here. Look at that. All these things are hiding. This one's $2. Gary Cooper, Sergeant York. All right, and here's the Guitar Hero 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bundle the guitar and the game. That could go on one listing. And then the Wii will go on its own listing. And you can see it has all these, steering wheel attachment, which this isn't even Nintendo brand, so I'll probably just toss it. There's a Nerf one in there. 2 controllers. So I will bundle 1 controller with it. Probably this one right here. Has a sensor bar, and then it had an extra one down here, and this one's great. It's the pink Wii Motion Plus. This thing can go for, I don't know, like 30, 40 bucks by itself, and I paid $60 for all of it. Now, it is missing this cover. I do buy replacements, so I believe I have a replacement cover for this in my office, which, hey, that is awesome. Then all this other random little stuff isn't really worth anything, so I'll probably get rid of it. The HDMI cord isn't legit. It's like an aftermarket one, so oh wait, this isn't even HDMI. Oh yeah, I don't think this uses HDMI. No, it doesn't. All right, that's fine. So the more I'm looking in here, this already has the original one plugged in. This is just a bonus one. You can see here are the colors, and this, yeah, I don't know. So this thing, I don't know. I guess I could keep it in case I really need to put a Wii together. So I guess it's kind of nice. It has, oh, here's a Nintendo brand one. Okay, so what I do is you take Mario Kart for the Wii and you bundle it with this controller, and you could get like an extra $15 to $20 every time. So that's what I'll do. So pretty solid score right here. I'm very happy with it. I didn't pay too much. The Wii bundle was $60. GameCube bundle was $45. Not too bad. So hopefully this works. You guys will see in the future. If you want to follow along, maybe buy some of this stuff, my eBay store is linked down below in the description. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.